We've been working on a project that's motivated by BMW, which has this very large assembly plant here in the upstate. And so the first project that we did was to use high definition cameras. We pointed them at the car and captured those images electronically and then used image processing techniques to be able to see, using the cameras, if there were defects in the car. And we've already published a couple papers on this. This has been very successful. And so now our follow-on project is to look at other kinds of data that we might collect in the assembly plant. And as you can imagine, there are lots of different places that you can collect data in the assembly plant. You can get it off the vehicle, you can get it off the plant itself, off the instrumentation, off the humans. We can apply these methods in all kinds of visual inspection environments. So clearly it can apply to any kind of auto manufacturing, but other kinds of manufacturing, and we're the manufacturing state, so any kind of manufacturing where you visually inspect the outcome of the manufacturing process could use these methods.